Hello traders, this is Alpha Fibonacci on July 30th at 10:44 PST, 1:44 EST, 16 minutes before FOMC. So let's start with a crucial key institutional chart that all Alpha Fibonacci traders use. This is predictive Alpha Fibonacci institutional rally that started at critical key institutional buy point that intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows months in advance. This morning institutions no longer entering position. This morning institutions holding position at historical high, not up far off from institutional reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands many months in advance the power of this. So no matter how big your account is or how long you holding position, or if you're trading your micro account and day trading chart, this is a crucial key institutional chart that reflects trillions of dollars in US market. Intelligent trader understands buying here is a bliss. Adding to position is phenomenal. Continue adding to position where institutional traders entering position is phenomenal trading and easiest money to always be made at the start of institutional rally. This morning we are at historical high. This morning market requires ultimate skill to trade. So when you zoom in on micro chart, when you zoom in on day trading chart, this is what playing out right now. Absolutely no software on this chart, none is present. This morning, as recorded on video, we discussed to the tick, market was being bought. We discussed absolutely not to short near. What else does the intelligent trader knows? This will be war zone when price reaches this level. But first things are first. This is crucial micro chart that testing this key level before FOMC. This level is out, this level to follow. At the time of FOMC, I will convert this chart to 1 minute. System is predictive, system is precise. In addition, intelligent trader who utilizes Alpha Fibonacci software to day trade futures knows quite well. This is simplicity of the software that you can trade on any chart you choose, with a single glimpse showing clearly. We've been stuck at the bold green zone for the last 8 hours. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows. This is critical key institutional brick wall to the upside that will define markets not just for hours, for days, even weeks to come. Retail traders defending this level with vengeance this morning. Again, we knew not to short near this level many hours and days in advance. Again, this is software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8 that comes with trade recognition software and multi-market scanner. Nasdaq been rallying early this morning as intelligent trader knew and saw hours in advance. And next we are diving to Nasdaq. Again, we're at critical key retail resistance. Institutional rally sold off from historical highs. Later on, if market will slow down, I will show you how system identifies all of this hours, days, weeks and months in advance. And why JP Morgan traders, why hedge fund traders, why traders from 12 to 80 plus years old trading the system as strategic intelligent chess. So again, choose a tick. We're monitoring this level. Choose a tick. Intelligent trader prepared and understand. Well before FOMC, price reached critical key Alpha Fibonacci resistance. So while S&P is doing this and absolutely no software on this chart, This is Fibonacci retracement tools that you can insert on any platform you choose. But here comes very important structure on Nasdaq. As I will show you how prop firm traders trade Nasdaq, as one of my students right now here this morning was sharing the results. Nasdaq was in drastically better place than S&P this morning. Nasdaq was so much more oversold. Again, pay attention to where Nasdaq crashed from yesterday. All recorded on video, as this morning Nasdaq rallied from reversal zone. Before FOMC, this is critical key level on Nasdaq. Again, this is retail chart, this is day trading chart. An intelligent trader knows hours and days in advance before FOMC. This will be war zone when this level to follow. This is to follow. Again, reflect on that. That's the reason traders in US and globally trading predictive, precise system. So this is a retail chart at the time of FOMC. I'm converting to 1 minute chart. Institutional chart at historical highs. Very similar structure as on S&P. So since we have 10 minutes before FOMC, an intelligent trader understands the power of this. Let me take you back before phenomenal institutional rally on S&P. So you understand where we are on both, on Nasdaq and S&P, as we're setting up for extremely volatile fall. So here we go. Let's go back on S&P 7 months. 7 months taking us back to, let's go to December 30th. Why not? Trump winning the election. We're listening to tariff war to start. Intelligent trader understands trillions of dollars getting out of US market. Intelligent trader understands many months in advance. This level will define US markets for years to come. You are not crying yourself to sleep. You are not buying the markets. You are shorting the markets since December until price reaches key institutional buy point. Tariff war zone. Intelligent trader understands the power of this. Trading with $1 trillion machine is your ultimate superpower. Here we go. Tariff war becomes worse. So how is it possible that intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader remains firmly bullish at critical key institutional buy point? This is the reason this level is so bold green. When I worked in Johns Hopkins Psychiatry and Research, I witnessed the power of colors on human brain. Green color reflects money. Green color reflects critical key target in Alpha Fibonacci system, while bold pink line, the end of the minor trend. Price struggling the entire week, after breaking through, skyrocketing until next level, one step at a time. So this is where retail trader has a bliss. Entering position with institutional trader, riding institutional power since second week in April. This morning we are almost 1,600 points higher. Have you been riding institutional power, or have you been shorting the market? This is strategic, intelligent, predictive chess. After FOMC, when markets will slow down, I will show you clearly. Any instrument, identical system apply. Every single strategy I ever developed. I developed 40 systems, 400 strategies total. This is what I've done this morning or the previous 3 hours. I promise you, the best things in the market are simple. I promise you, trading pure price is the answer. And when you're adding Alpha Fibonacci retracements, you know well before FOMC what to expect to the tick. So this is what we're monitoring as identical key level, correct? As you witnessed on institutional chart, where market been bought from. Absolutely no speculation, as identical level where market crashed from in 2024. Finally breaking through the end of the minor trend in the month of March. So again, reflect on this and understand. Extreme volatility is intelligent trader's friend. This is acquired before the storm as we're coming to institutional reversal zone. Bullish markets are drastically easier to trade than bearish, but most male traders love to short the markets. So if you understand the power of this and you understand that we're coming to institutional reversal zone, what is crucial next on S&P mini future? What is a critical key institutional 6200 level will define markets for years to come. 5 more minutes until FOMC. Let's go to Nasdaq. Again, prop firm traders love Nasdaq, as Nasdaq flying hundreds of points in split second, correct? Nasdaq charts are twins with S&P. Again, taking you back on Nasdaq, as again, hedge fund managers from Palm Beach to Dubai to Saudi Arabia to JP Morgan traders trading this. Taking you back to the month of December. The 12-year-old daughter of hedge fund trader, prop firm trader trading this. I will show you all of this next. So here we go, December 2024, correct? 7 months ago. As I show my students in institutional class that I'm teaching tomorrow, how you can backtest the system going back years. Since the month of December, you've been shorting, not buying Nasdaq, until Nasdaq comes to critical key Alpha Fibonacci buy point. Second week of April. Rules are met, take a trade. Number 1, you are not shorting near. Number 2, you using your limitless brain and buy market with $1 trillion machine. The end of the minor trend is out. Nasdaq skyrocketing until 2100 level. So here's Nasdaq this morning, 4 months later. Historical high is here. You do not take vacation here. You start riding institutional rally. You're not blowing up your account, shorting it. You're not standing in front of the train. You're riding $1 trillion machine, correct? This morning before FOMC to the tick. This is what bullish rally testing on Nasdaq. Again, if I bring you back, what was the most exciting place to be? Here, to buy the bottom on Nasdaq. Buyers fully in charge on Nasdaq. This level is out, this level is next. This level to follow, no matter what chart you trade. Identical rules apply to any stock, any Forex, any crypto, any ETF, any instrument, every system I ever developed based on pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. Converting Nasdaq to 1. Intelligent trader understands this is critical key level, the end of the minor trend before FOMC. Again, intelligent trader excited to be here at the bottom of the trend. So as I walked through institutional charts, as I bring to your attention micro charts at the time of FOMC, I'm putting them side by side. Shall we? S&P in an entirely different place, correct? as again I can convert this chart to 5 to 3 to any chart. Unless there is A plus setup, intelligent trader understands the danger of this. Intelligent trader allows market to settle down. You understand the risks of futures. You understand order fill is never a guarantee, correct? You understand that risk management is key to your success. So as we're waiting for FOMC and 1 more minute left, intelligent trader very well prepared. Key moment. Again, we have no idea what the rates are, but we're extremely clear. Pay attention to this very dangerous, very neurotic structure, which is absolutely expected. This is precise, strategic, intelligent chess. No speculation, no gambling here, correct? We discussed buyers fully in charge. Buying at the bottom was an intelligent thing to do. We're discussing this level is out, price skyrocketing here. This level is out, price skyrocketing here. Again, this can happen in split second. For the first 5 minutes, intelligent trader allows market to settle down. FOMC federal fund rate is held, correct? Institutional traders listening to Powell's speech. Again, I can convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade. Are you with me? In the course, you learn the importance of these levels. Again, absolutely no software in this chart, none is present. I'm converting this chart to 3 to 5 to any chart you choose to trade. You understand the importance of this? You understand how crucial this event is. That's it. Pure and simple. So no matter what chart you trade, we knew extremely well. Bullish rally overextended. This is a crucial key brick wall. The end of the minor trend and critical key Alpha Fibonacci decision point 2. In the course, you learn not to buy at this level. In the course, you learn to monitor for reversal. Again, you buying at the bottom, you not buying into this level. Are we clear on this? Again, if I convert this chart to 5, this is where buyers stepped in from. This is what traders have done this morning. In case you missed the event. Again, 5-minute workday. Boom. Non-stop. Every single morning, the power of Nasdaq. That was yesterday, this is this morning. Prop firm trader. From complete inconsistency to solid, intelligent trading. That's it. And that's where it's coming from. Strategic, intelligent, precise, predictive trading. So we knew extremely well that this is critical key brick wall on Nasdaq. Again, if you're on TradingView or if you are on MT4 or MT5, doesn't matter. All you need Fibonacci retracement tool and you can trade any chart you choose. So this is huge fight on Nasdaq. Again, we'd love Nasdaq to be here. Are we clear? Keep going back to 1 so you can see ultimate precision. So if we keep bouncing from reversal zone, this remains key level to the upside. Again, S&P stock in very different place. That's it. So right now, we'd love to market to collapse lower. The most exciting place to be as low as possible. Otherwise, price will keep crawling up on Nasdaq one step at a time. Price will keep crawling back up to S&P. What is intelligent trader understands? This is not the place to short. This critical key support been obeyed on S&P for the last 8 hours. S&P in entirely different place, in entirely different pain than Nasdaq. Nasdaq a whole lot more exciting. So if you understand the power of this and you do not like what you see on S&P, move to Nasdaq, move to Dow as Kurt have done. Choice is yours. Again, this is critical key event. Buyers keep defending reversal zone. S&P in very different places than Nasdaq. So my favorite students of all are traders who struggled for years and become blown away after a single class. When your trading becomes strategic, when your trading becomes intelligent. Key moment on Nasdaq, key moment on S&P. Again, Nasdaq defended reversal zone on every single chart. S&P remains being a mess. 8 hours of this of retail crawl. Buyers are weak traders. It's a massive mess. Market is struggling immensely. This is the end of the minor trend on S&P. This is the end of the minor trend on Nasdaq. The beauty of Nasdaq is drastically lower, which makes it drastically more conservative to buy. So if you continue jumping on short bandwagon, you do not understand the power of this. When you understand the power of this, and you understand that the sell-off in the last 2 days was just retail pullback, and the best place on S&P was 6,400. We're no longer at 6,400, we're higher on S&P. We are at 6,418. Again, this is key on S&P, this is key on Nasdaq. Buyers are weak, we stuck in retail trading range. So when you start trading our markets as intelligent strategic chess, everything changes. System is versatile, applicable to all platforms, all instruments, all time frames. You make a personal decision, the instrument, the time frame, the platform you will decide to trade. So as S&P and Nasdaq trying to make up its mind, this is a typical email. As thousands and thousands of emails from traders all over the world. Why do I love to work with accomplished traders? Their trading skyrockets because they see the power and quality of the system instantly after a few minutes. So when I work with Terry, it's pure joy because he's obsessed. His average trading week, 20 hours, he runs a full-time business. He runs multiple prop firm accounts that were never profitable before, but highly profitable now. As he says, since I enjoy the daily preparation for my success, my prop firm accounts are growing at a pace I didn't think was possible. Again, this is not just my phenomenal trading system. It is also critical key Terry's effort. So here we go, market in pain. Did we know to the tick that this is crucial key event? Please tell me. Buyers are powerful, market heading higher. This is key on both, no matter what chart you trade. Is it 5 on S&P? Is it 10? Is it 15? No matter what chart you trade, this is key. After this level to follow, and this is where you see very powerful market reversals, and the reason I named this zone reversal zone. So here we go, Nasdaq skyrocketed from the bottom of reversal zone, but struggling at the end of the minor trend. Again, S&P drastically less exciting than Nasdaq. Again, we knew extremely well that institutional rally not selling off. This is critical key event playing out in front of you live. This is crucial key. This level to follow with junky retail pullbacks. For trader who is trading small account, this ultimate precision is crucial. On Nasdaq, we are flying drastically higher from reversal zone. This is multi-market scanner for trade recognition software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. When institutional volume playing out, you see multiple trade alerts and you enter with confidence. When market is a mess and market is slow, multiple trade alerts are not playing out. Market in crawl, market in pain. Buyers are weak, we are crawling up in pain higher and higher and higher. Again, to bring to your attention, from the bold green zone until here, correct? That's it. There is nothing else here. During the most important financial event in United States of America, we knew where the brick wall will be. Correct? With a single glimpse, intelligent trader sees and knows buyers are weak. Absolutely no speculation, ultimate precision only. So when you understand the power of this, all the speculative noise and chaos is gone. You start actually enjoying trading. So the S&P and Nasdaq remain so quiet. Let's go to other instruments in case you missed oil news this morning in the trading room. This is what played out. Please pay attention. This is oil now at identical level as S&P, as Nasdaq. Converting oil chart to 1 to 3 to any chart you choose to trade. Oil sold off from critical key bold pink line that can never ever be ignored. So if you understand the power of this and you are prepared well before oil news, hours in advance, let me show you what this chart looked like 2 days ago, well before oil news. Oil heading higher and higher and higher. That's it. You are not speculating, you are not gambling. You know where oil heading to days before major news. So this is extremely important chart, extremely crucial. This is oil. I'm in travel. I get message from US consulate. Highest terrorist warning. Be prepared. We are outside of US. News is flashing. US bombed Iran. I'm going back to few days to a week before I left US. Here we go. This is institutional chart on June 13th. Reflect on this. Market came to reversal zone before US bombs Iran. Again, absolutely no software on this chart, none is present. Again, you insert proprietary levels into Fibonacci retracement tool on any platform you choose. So when you understand the power of this and you understand the power of historical event, you're not listening to noise and gamblers. You witnessing, despite US bombing Iran, oil in free fall. You're riding oil to the downside. You're not gambling with your money. You're seeing clearly. First 2 weeks after US bombing Iran, oil staged phenomenal sell-off. Correct? Until it came to extremely important level, the end of the minor trend, where bounce on oil came from. So as you're witnessing identical event on Amazon, on Nvidia, as Nvidia testing historical high. Does this look familiar? Would you like to buy Nvidia from the bottom? Would you like to short Nvidia when rules are met? Here we go. Nvidia before bullish rallies, you can test system going back 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 years on institutional charts. So when you're riding trillion-dollar machine and you're using your limitless brain, you knew quite well, despite all the noise, all the hype on AI, Nvidia was selling off when this level is out, giving you phenomenal opportunity to buy the bottom. Here's Nvidia before the start of the rally. Again, reflect on this level as I will take you back to S&P and Nasdaq next. Here's Nvidia before the start of the rally. April 1st. Are we clear on this? You learn and witness the importance of this level and the importance of reversal zone. Absolutely no software on Nvidia. Absolutely no software on Amazon. Software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8 that shows that market is stuck. Since Alpha Fibonacci buy point, Nvidia is up phenomenal returns. From 87 to 179, this is more than 50%. But identical level just played out in front of you on Nasdaq. Identical level playing out in front of you right now. This is what I recognized in 2004 when I started building my systems. And I thought I was looking at Russell, but I was actually looking at S&P. I was blown away when I recognized this. When you trade pure price, you understand so much more. And when you decide that you are tired of day trading or you become older, you look at the charts once an hour, once a day, once a week, once a month. And you use stocks or ETFs or mutual funds. Again, the only thing you ever need is Fibonacci retracement tool on the platform of your choice. No one is surprised at Apple selling off, correct? As Apple reached reversal zone, exact same level as oil. But here's key, very powerful event. US dollar, complete collapse, correct? From 148 until 135, the worst collapse in 20 years. What do you see that US dollar testing in front of you? Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar? Identical level where US dollar crashed from the previous 2 months. Buyers picking up this team, this level is out, this level to follow. How to trade this, you learn in the course. So again, identical event, identical level on any chart, on S&P, on Nasdaq in front of you now. So if you decide to trade 5, 10, 15, any chart, you understand the power of this. You understand the power of buying the bottom, and you understand when buyers are weak, this level will remain intact. And when sellers are worthless and price remains stuck between these two levels, this is retail chop. Again, reflect on this on S&P. Would you like 3? Identical level in a play right now. Buyers are weak. So again, this is software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. We've been stuck in ultimate weakness for the last 8 hours. Nothing here to do except extremely aggressive and choppy trading. So if you get bored and you say, you know what, I would like to find a more volatile future to trade, take a look on oil, take a look on gold, If you are an experienced trader, you understand the power of this. The sky's is the limit. If you understand how you can trade Alpha Fibonacci System across any instrument you choose, including Forex, MT4, MT5, absolutely, finally Euro and free fall. But when my hometown is bombed, everyone witnessing few months later, this is phenomenal opportunity to buy Euro at 96 cents. You are not shorting Euro near this level, you buying Euro, including when Middle East crisis skyrockets. You understand the power of this? Yes? So when I'm seeing Goldman Sachs traders here with us, good morning, I'm truly honored, as again and again and again, when top financial institutions appreciate my work, it's because I've been doing this for 20 years. It's my passion, it's my obsession. So I just spoke with Michael, who's been my student for 15 years. This photo is 15 years old. Michael became, from beginner to prop firm trader, he brought his daughter to me. When she was 12, she's 17 right now. So when husbands bring in their wives, and wife of a trader trading Nasdaq with 2 little babies at home, and hedge fund manager in London bringing his son, but his son is trading entirely different instrument. He loves to day trade and he day trades future. And when Sam trading options and put his daughter through Harvard, it's an ultimate honor. This is only very few of students' journeys and stories. No one else in the world does what I do. Systems proprietary, systems precise, systems predictive. And the day Goldman let me work from anywhere in the world, I absolutely will consider the offer. To me, freedom is priceless, and I love where I live. So when you come to the website and you understand the power of this, and you understand what playing out in front of you live, choose a tick, and the only reason trading room is open. All you have to do is choose the instrument appropriate for you and your account, and your psychological and financial comfort. Traders from beginner become prop firm traders. So when you come to the website, simply look, this is less than 1% of the emails. You understand that? Pablo came to me, full-time attorney, hated his job, never pushed a button on trading computer. He's now a prop firm trader, he's trading everything. He's not just day trading futures for prop firm, he's trading stocks and options on TradeStation and Ninja Trader and platforms and TradingView. He passed prop firm trade exam. That's it. But Ken, trading crypto, made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute. Again, as you probably know, I have zero interest in Instagram. I have zero interest in social media posts. I have zero interest in any of this. My students are my ultimate marketing power. Fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, friends bringing their friends to the course, brothers bringing their brothers. That's it. I've done nothing else over the last 3 months except working with families of my traders. Ultimate honor. So when Theo comes to the course in the middle of the night in Australia sharing this, it's an honor. And when you're witnessing this ultimate precision live, all you need to do is make a decision on the instrument you want to trade. Buying the bottom is your ultimate power. Respecting the end of the minor trend is key. So when buyers picking up this steam and S&P is heading higher, You understand how critical this event is, correct? Again, converting this chart to 1. Again, you are witnessing ultimate precision. You are witnessing that speculation is never an option with the Alpha Fibonacci system. And you remember, we remained firmly bullish on S&P because of the bold green zone, correct? Buyers continue crawling up. It's a junky retail crawl. We're not seeing institutional power. Only weak crawl. That's it. And when price breaking through this level one step at a time and pullbacks continue playing out, it's a retail junky rally. No institutional power. Institutional power at historical high, identified months in advance. So here we go, Nasdaq buyers picking up this theme. We knew not to short, correct? So when you come to the website, you can also listen to beginner traders, prop firm traders. You can listen to father and son. You can listen to wives of the students. You can listen to brothers of the students. It's a family affair. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do, working with the exact same person on my website for 15 years. I value quality in my team and in my students. So here's one of my other favorite examples. Sue. Full-time software developer, absolute genius. As she's texting me now, and she reminded me, amazing to see you. She's been losing money for 15 years. She lost over 80K until she came to the course. Now she's not just trading her own account, she's managing other accounts. So when you're witnessing such ultimate simplicity in front of you live, you start recognizing, if you've been brainwashed that trading is difficult and you have such chaos on your charts, stop. Enough is enough. Delayed indicators do not work. Stop cycle of insanity, focus on pure price. And when you do, the sky's is the limit, as proven by traders all over the world. And if day trading is not your cup of tea, move to 15-minute, move to hourly, move to daily, move to weekly. And if you want to trade crypto, of course you can. If you want to trade crypto platforms, FT4, MT5, of course you can. That's it. And that's a retail crawl in front of you now. Any questions for me, please do ask. So here we go, key moment again. Nasdaq drastically more powerful, buyers stepped in at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. S&P is drastically weaker. We knew and fully aware about junky retail shorts. Bullish rally picking up this theme, correct? It's a beautiful thing, as we knew. When this bold green zone is obeyed and respected, intelligent trader would never, ever short near. So here we go, after ultimate retail crawl, buyers picking up this theme, correct? The end of the minor trend is out on Nasdaq. Again, no matter what chart you trade, these levels apply to every single chart. Critical key event on Nasdaq. S&P reaching reversal zone. This is where intelligent trader determines the power of the pullback. Reversal zone present in front of you since yesterday. Critical key level is reached. That's it. Intelligent trader understands this playing out on every single chart. 5, 10, 15, any chart you choose to trade, correct? To the downside, this is key level. This is crucial. Converting this chart to 1. Sellers are worthless, intelligent traders seeing it with a single glimpse. Again, the end of the minor trend became critical key support on both. If you like me to convert this to any chart you choose to trade, not a problem. Again, sellers are weak, as long as this level remains intact. You remember this event that's playing out right now on Euro? Does this look familiar? First pullback on Euro was junky in the month of March. This level remained intact. Reversal zone never to be ignored. Euro and free fall. How to trade Euro? You must know and obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. Tomorrow I'm teaching institutional class that can change your life forever and improve your trading. There is no question about it, as you see the power of predictive system. Again, reversal zone on S&P is reached. Again, this level remains intact, sellers are worthless. It's a junky retail pullback as continue playing out. So if institutional traders will step in with vengeance, intelligent traders are very well prepared. Volatility can pick up this steam. Correct? Are we clear on that? Reflect on that. All of this present in the trading room since day before. But buying the bottom is your ultimate superpower. Again, buyers picking up this steam. Again, since that week, I remained firmly bullish on S&P. Since that week, intelligent traders been buying, not shorting the market. Again, we dealt with extremely weak buyers. We dealt with retail crawl, buyers picking up this steam. No matter what chart you trade on S&P. Black and white and clear. Nasdaq was drastically more oversold, buyers stepped in from reversal zone. So no matter what chart you trade, I would gladly convert it to your attention for ultimate precision, and why top financial institutions value my work, and why students in US and globally becoming my friends for life and trusting their family members. Are we clear on that? Yes? You witnessing the power of reversal zone. Choose a tick. Yes? Volatility is here. Are we clear? And that's proprietary Alpha Fibonacci chess. And that's the reason I named this level reversal zone. By the time price comes to this level, you understand your only option to trail, not to enter into this level. Price crashes from this level high 80% of the time. Neurotic picking up this steam, correct? Again, Nasdaq skyrocketed from the bottom, reached critical key level. Nasdaq overextended, but Nasdaq was oversold. S&P in very different place. Looks familiar? Again, reflect on that. Euro. Identical event. Takes only 5 minutes a week to look on this chart. US dollar, identical event. Tesla, identical event. Identical. So again, this is crucial key level on S&P. Strategic intelligent chess, correct? Are we clear on that? So no matter what chart you trade, you knew far in advance. Any questions? Please do ask. This is what I was waiting for and expecting from FOMC. That's it. And that remains the key. So when you understand the power of this, and know where to exit and enter your trades, the sky's the limit. All you need to do is make a personal decision. Do you want to day trade S&P? Or do you want to position trade Tesla? Or do you want to position trade oil? Charter twins with S&P, with oil, with US dollar, with euro, with Amazon, with any chart you choose to trade. So if you understand that institutional rally coming to institutional reversal zone, as I warn you, this is quiet before the storm. That's it. So bottom on Nasdaq, where buyers stepped in from, top on S&P. Nasdaq struggling to break through this level, as expected, as you learned the course. As I spelled out, buyers are weak on Nasdaq. Very different structure on both. No speculative entries, no speculative targets, ultimate precision only. With predictive proprietary Alpha Fibonacci System. So if you enjoyed today and you'd like to join us, I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions for me, the best thing is always to call or email me. And if you email me your phone number, I will gladly reach out. But do not be surprised if you call me, I will pick up the phone. When I'm available, I would do so. And if not, simply email me or simply leave a message and I will call you back. Right now in private mentoring, I have 2 spots open. One of the students taking vacation and another student graduated. I take 5 private mentoring students per month. So as we enter an extremely volatile fall, private mentoring currently offered with savings $8,000. Oncological surgeon, business owner, prop firm trader, beginner trader right now in private mentoring in US and all over the world. You don't need to come to live classes. You can view videos of 300 plus prior live recorded classes. You do not need to view 300 videos. Average student watches 10 to 30. All depends on your experience. If you're a beginner trader, private mentoring, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. If you're a trader who struggled forever, I show you your flaws and I pinpoint you if day trading is your thing or not. And if not, I show you what you should be trading. Group course, the most popular option, savings $5,000. You come to live classes, you view videos 24/7. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Again, traders all over the world trading on platforms I never even heard of. If platform has Fibonacci retracement tool, Alpha Fibonacci System can be traded on. But if you utilize Ninja Trader 8, it's an additional option in package 2 and 4. As our students always stop by and say hello and share their journeys and stories. So please do not hesitate to contact me. Again, US plus 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I live and breathe what I do. I love our global community and the sky's the limit if you make an effort. You will see how precise markets are. And predictive Alpha Fibonacci System allows you to trade with ultimate precision during brutal markets, during major news, as you become very well prepared and understand where buyers and where sellers coming from. As again, Nasdaq keep rallying from the bottom, S&P just sold off from top. So make a personal decision. Which one is appropriate for you to trade? Choice is yours. And if day trading is not your thing, trade stocks, trade ETFs, trade mutual funds, trade oil, trade gold. If instrument has price, Alpha Fibonacci System applies. Simply check for the platform to have Fibonacci retracement tool. That's it. So thank you so much, everyone. It's been my joy and honor being here with you. If you're joining us now, tomorrow you will be in institutional class. That institutional class can change your trading forever. Thank you so much, everyone. Amazing to see you, David. Amazing to see you, everyone. This video had been recorded. Again, do not hesitate to contact me. Any questions, simply pick up the phone and call. I'm available for the next 2 hours. Thank you, traders.